how does leap year exist? Because it's a little bit hard to figure out the science of leap year.
My name is Jim Lattis. I'm director of the UW Space Place, which is part of the astronomy department here at UW-Madison. A leap year is a year in which we insert an extra day into the calendar. The day that we add, of course, is February 29th. So once every 4 years, there's a year that has a February 29th in it, so there are 366 days that year. The red spot there, the red pin, imagine that that's you on midnight on January 1st. Notice that you're directly opposite the sun on the Earth. That means it's midnight. So the sun is the big blue ball closer to me, and you're the red dot there. Of course, every time the Earth spins around once, that's 1 day. And as the Earth orbits around the sun, as you know, it'll rotate 365 times, right? But it turns out that that's actually not quite right. If we go one complete orbit of the Earth, like that, the Earth actually rotates about 365¼ days. So it's actually like that after 1 year. But we don't count that because we don't like to have fractional days in our calendar. So now in the next year, it's 365¼ days, and now the Earth is a half turn ahead. And then another one, and the Earth will be 3/4 of a turn ahead. And another one, and the Earth will have actually done one extra revolution that we didn't count because we were ignoring those quarter days. And if we didn't insert that day in the 4th year, in the leap year, then the Earth wouldn't be in the same place in its orbit when we get around. And the calendar would be out of sync with the seasons, because the seasons have to do with where the Earth is in its orbit around the sun. So that way we get to have a whole number of days in our calendar, 366, instead of having 365¼ It's of course a little more complicated than that, because it turns out that we skip a leap year in a year that's divisible by 100, except in years that are divisible by 400, where we skipping the leap year. So we actually had a leap year in 2000, and that happens every 400 years, that we have a year that would be skipped as a century year, but in fact it's a leap year. So that's a fairly rare thing. It's the first time that had happened since 1600.